Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today with a VR for Jovi from Creating with Jovi on YouTube. She is currently hosting her 3K giveaway, and the reason she's having this giveaway is because she has hit 3 major milestones for her channel. She has reached 3,000 subbies. She has posted 1,000 videos on her channel, and I think she said on October 31st she will be celebrating her 4-year anniversary on YouTube. So, really great accomplishments. Congratulations, Jovi. So excited for you. Anyway, all you have to do to enter her giveaway is post a comment below her video for the giveaway, which I will link in the description box below my VR. And you also need to do a VR for her and make sure you tag her in your VR so she can find your video. There are a few rules. Number 1, you have to be a visible subscriber to her channel. Number 2, you must be 18 years old or older. You must do a VR for her. And you must tag her with the tag at Creating with Jovi in your description or in your title of your VR. She has 3 great prizes. The first one is a handmade journal. Number 2 are 3 digital kits of your choosing. And number 3 is a goodie box that she's putting together. She also mentioned that she is solely responsible for her giveaway and she is not being sponsored by any other entity, including YouTube. So anyway, hop on over to Jovi's channel, Creating with Jovi, and check out her channel, give her some crafty love, watch some of her videos, comment on some of them, and definitely put your comment below her contest video so you can tell her that you want in and post your VR. So that's all you got to do. Show her some love. So anyway, have a great evening and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, Crafty Peeps.